In celebration of its 40th anniversary, North Lake College has installed a time capsule with items that represent a day in the life of our NLC community.
We wanted to do things that were kind of a big deal now, but then we also wanted to do things that kind of represented change.
My wish for you is that 40 years from now, when the time capsule is opened, that everyone will look back on today and say, wow, see how far we've come?
It was a collective decision. Student clubs, staff, and community partners participated in selecting the most valuable items.
We wanted to give future generation an opportunity to compare what was the difference 40 years ago and then.
Among the items selected were those with a strong historical connection.
Here at North Lake College, and this is duck soup, and it's been around for a long time, and I hope it's going to be around for another 40 years at least.
Objects that hold a sentimental value.
I started at North Lake 20 years ago, and that was the first phone that I had. And it still works. And I've been in 40 years, it'll still work.
The last item is quite special to me because for the first time in North Lake's history, we are the President's School for Student Government for the entire state of Texas.
As well as items that bring fond memories to all the attendants.
I loved seeing our community members, the students, our faculty, and everybody just coming together and laughing and looking at the stuff on the table. I just love that opportunity to be together.
The time capsule is expected to be open in 2058. Maribel Alvarez, NLC News.